How to add someone in Monopoly Go. Today in this video I'll teach you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, of course, go ahead and open your game, and once the game loads up, tap right here in the bottom right corner on the friends icon. Once you're on this page, you should get three options on how to add friends. You can start by connecting your Facebook account, and then you'll have your friends from Facebook that are playing the game connected with you right here, and they should be added automatically. So I go ahead and link my account to Monopoly Go, and after that I should find my friends right here. The second method, you can go ahead and import friends from your contacts. So if you know somebody that you have on your contact that is playing the game, you can just add your contacts to the game and they should be added automatically as well. Now for the third method, you can go ahead and tap on invite button, the green one. Once you tap here, the game gives you your own personalized link. That link you should send to your friends via any other social media app. Once they open the link and they install the game, they should be added to your friends list. And that is it, guys. That is how you add someone on Monopoly Go. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.